Time for another unboxing video. And this time I got 3 packages from Temu. Let's see what we got from Temu. Friday. Yep. Friday. Yeah, because I reckon this movie is going to be 30 years old this year. Because it's 2025 and Friday released in 1995. And this was my first rated R movie I've watched when I was a kid. You know, these all-star cast members. Ice Cube, Chris Tucker, John Witherspoon, Regina King, yeah, Bernie Mac, even Tiny Lister Jr. Yep. All-star cast members. Let's see what we got in here. This one here is Blue's Clues. The OG Blue's Clues. See, this is my show. Watching this when I was a kid. The original Blue's Clues featuring Steve Burns and Donovan Baton. Steve and Joe. Last one. Martin. Yeah, Shanae, Martin, Jerome, Roscoe, Otis, even Edna Payne, and even Jamal. Don't you know no good? Don't you know no good? And also Dragonfly Jones. So those are my 3 t-shirts I got from Temu. Which t-shirt do you like? Let me know in the comments.